Hi everyone. So I've been using this camera Sony A6400 for quite some time, and before that I was using my Canon 550D, and I was using a 50mm lens, so I need to set up the camera way behind just to get the shot. And the problem was I could not connect that camera with my smartphone, and I had to use my laptop, and if I have to do any sort of setting I need to get up and change the setting or pause or start the video. But with Sony A6400, there's an app available so that you can connect with your smartphone and control your camera. The problem is it's not very easy to find. So I'll show you which app to download and how to connect it. There is some glitches because the app is not perfect. It might disconnect multiple times. So don't worry, I'll tell you the workaround how to connect this app and work with it. So you can do quite some things with this application. Let me just show you how it works. So what you have to do is turn on the camera and just press the menu button, and you have to go a little right to the network section. There are a lot of sections. So yeah, keep pressing and go to the network section. The network 1, and you have an option for control with smartphone. Click on it and just click on connecting, and you'll see a Wi-Fi connection standby, and there's a barcode. Now all you have to do is go to your Play Store and type Imagine Edge, and you'll find this application, Imagine Edge Mobile, and just download it and open it. I have already downloaded it. Now open the Imagine Edge mobile application. You can see option to connect the camera. I already connected the camera, so it's easier for me. You just need to scan and your Wi-Fi will show here. Sometimes you might not be able to see the Wi-Fi, but you can go to Wi-Fi section and just search for the Wi-Fi section. Like you can see 6400. You can just click on it and it'll just start connecting. Sometimes it gets disconnected automatically and you see this error. So open the app again and just start connecting a new camera. Go to the same QR and just go to the Wi-Fi section again, and you'll find it again. After connecting, so you'll see it's connected, and just go back and open the application again, and now you will be able to see the start button. Just click on the camera and it'll ask for start remote operations, and now you can see the camera is connected. Now you can see there are two cats. So yeah, this is how it works. I'm just pointing the camera there. You can see another options, like just go to the menu section and see this. You can change a lot of settings here. So yeah, I'm in auto mode, so I can just change the exposure mode. Let me just change it to movie section. So now I am in the movie mode. I use HLG profiles, that's why the color are like this, and I can change the aperture. I'm just changing it to f1.4. I'll increase the ISO so you can see there's a lot of light. Let me just turn it down. So yeah, it's easier to change the ISO from application because I'm on the manual setting. You can also change the auto white balance settings. This is sunny mode, this is indoor mode, but I use auto white balance. So like you can see the shutter is 150. Let me just start a recording. So yeah, just one click and the recording will start. I am holding the camera with one hand, so that's why the video is not surely stabilized. Let me just pause it, and now let me just point properly, remove the display section. Yeah, so now you can see the cats are in focus. I'll record again. So this is the sample shot. I color graded it. So yeah, you can see it's much easier to do it with application. You can also change the modes. I am using the manual, but you can select the PANS. You can learn a lot about the manual exposures. So yeah, this is the application, and you can do the settings here. Change it to 4K and full HD, whatever you want to, and this is the version. So So like you saw, I mean, this is how you connect your phone with your camera, and you can do a lot of things with it. It's much easier to control your camera with your phone because you don't have to like just go ahead and pause the video every time. So I really like this feature, and tell me about if you find this feature useful. I know the camera app is not very good, but there's still an option, and you can set the camera wherever you want, and it's easier to click photos and just shoot the video and change the exposure and shutter speed, everything. I mean, you can do a lot of things with this camera app. So tell me, how did you like the video? And if you really enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a great night, guys. Bye bye.